So you're slamming on the rotor with a mallet trying not to annoy the neighbors, but it's not budging. That's exactly when these bolts come in handy. Using these two threaded bolt holes, just thread in the appropriate size bolt by hand. Use your ratchet and keep threading in both sides evenly until you can feel the rotor separating from the hub assembly. And just like that, your rotor is free without any fuss or mess. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking and subscribing, and the link for the bolt that I used will be in the description below.